Good afternoon, my name's Chris and I live on the island of Unst in the Shetland Islands. Today we're going to be taking apart this beast, which is pretty much a whole lot of plastic. It is a Garden Vac 2700 watt turbo Flymo. Other Garden Vacs are also available. So I've taken out all the screws already, and that one that fell out. And we'll just get that pointed down there a bit, so you don't have to look at me. And we'll see what is inside, hopefully. There's an awful lot of plastic on this. There we go, just a big piece of plastic. So we'll send that off to the recycle centre. And again, plastic. There's actually not very much in here by the look of this. We've got a motor, a fan, which obviously sucks the air through, an on-off switch, and a piece of cable. It's exciting, wasn't it? There we go, let's get that. The cable has already been cut, so I'm guessing it was broken. Well, that's got to be, for me personally, a world record of taking something apart. So as you can see, we've got some cable, on-off switch, might have a bit of brass or copper in there. Let's have a little look. The ball bearing. Yeah, just connectors. So they'll come off there nice and easily. So that's the cable. More plastic. And then let's whip those out. Yeah, it's just your standard on-off switch with copper and brass contacts in there. I can put that in with circuit boards. There's very little to this at all. I was hoping there'd be a decent fan inside there, but it's not. It's just a plastic one, which is not a lot of use to me. But never mind. Another piece of plastic. I think they used to make things properly before plastic came along. We can pull that off of there. Piece of cable. Bit plastic. I wonder if I can get that undone. A piece of metal there, another one there, just a spring. We'll pop that off. And I wonder, is that copper? The way the rest of this has come apart, I doubt it. Nope, that's aluminium. Well, there's a rotor inside there which has got copper in it, but there is really very little in this at all. But how easy it's come apart, if I get another one, I guess I'll take it. If we can just, I can zoom in on that a little bit. I can't because my camera's the wrong way round. Never mind. Let's see if we can get a few more things out of here. Well, it'll end up being an incredibly short video. It's just two bolts holding that on. I think. I always say that and then you end up finding another one hidden somewhere. Let's get that out of there. Is that going to pop off of there? I can pull those out of there. one out of there. God, I would be able to. Come on. There we go. Let's pull the actual brass piece out. Another piece of plastic. Little washer. And see on the end there, got some little brass connectors and some little bits of copper wire. That's about all the copper we're going to get out of this, I think. So we've got that's alley, so it's no good. You've got little bits of brass, the brass connectors in there, which will just pop out. So we'll have those. Nice and easy. Then what I'll do is I'll snip these, and then I'll use my metal cutters just to cut through there, and then I'll lever that out, and then you've got the iron there just going with that. And if that just undoes. Plastic, more plastic, a little washer, and that should just knock through there. I have got a hammer there, might as well use that. More plastic. Oh, well, if you're going to be really plastic washer, if you want to be really pedantic, there's a tiny little bit of steel in there if you really want to get that out. And the rotor. So that was it. A huge, great pile of plastic with a motor inside it, pretty much. Not particularly exciting, but we've got a few goodies. We've got the screws. Let's just move that down a bit. We've got the screws there and the bolts, a couple of washers, a couple of springs, some little bits of brass, tiny bit of copper. And that. So there we go. Well, if you want after something easy, if you can get hold of one, take it. It's easy money, I suppose. But other than that, I'm sure there's much more exciting things out there to scrap. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the likes, comments and subscriptions. That's all brilliant. Makes it all very worthwhile. You hear me waffling on about this, that and the other. And keep scrapping.